Designing your own board game for family game nights can be a fun and creative endeavor. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you bring your game idea to life. Choose a theme. Start by selecting a theme or concept for your board game. It could be anything from fantasy adventure to mystery solving to space exploration. Consider your family's interests and preferences when choosing a theme. Define the objectives. Determine the objectives and goals of your game. What do players need to do to win? Is it collecting items, completing challenges, or reaching a specific destination? Clarify the rules and victory conditions. Create the game board. Design the game board layout based on your chosen theme and objectives. You can hand draw the board on a piece of paper or use digital design software for a more polished look. Include spaces for players to move their pieces, landmarks, obstacles, and any other relevant elements. Develop game components. Decide what components you'll need for your game, such as playing pieces, dice, cards, tokens, and markers. You can use existing materials or create custom components using household items or craft supplies. Consider how each component will enhance gameplay and contribute to the overall experience. Design game cards and rules. If your game includes cards, create designs for them and write out the rules or instructions on each card. Make sure the rules are clear and easy to understand, with examples or illustrations if necessary. Test the game with your family to ensure the rules are balanced and enjoyable. Playtest and iterate. Playtest your game with family members to identify any flaws, ambiguities, or areas for improvement. Take note of feedback and make adjustments to the rules, components, or gameplay as needed. Iterative playtesting is key to refining your game and making it more engaging for players. Add visuals and graphics. Enhance the visual appeal of your game by adding artwork, graphics, and illustrations. This could include themed images for the game board, cards, and other components. You can create your own artwork or use royalty-free images and graphics available online. Finalize and produce. Once you're satisfied with the gameplay and design of your board game, finalize the components and prepare them for production. This could involve printing out game boards and cards, assembling playing pieces, and packaging everything together in a box or container. Host a game night. Organize a family game night to debut your newly created board game. Explain the rules and objectives to your family members and encourage them to dive into the game with enthusiasm. Be open to feedback and enjoy the experience of playing your game together. Share and iterate. After the game night, gather feedback from your family members on their experience playing the game. Use this feedback to make further refinements and improvements to your board game. Consider sharing your game with friends or other families to get additional perspectives. Designing your own board game can be a rewarding creative project that brings your family closer together and provides hours of entertainment for future game nights. Have fun with the process and let your imagination run wild.